Hey drivers, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Another segment of our safety takes priority videos that we do to try to keep the drivers, public, everybody, whoever wants to watch them, current on what we're doing good, what we need to work on, what we're doing bad with. Today's topic, I want to stay focused until we improve on staying out of the left lane. I'm starting to get a little frustrated with the number of times we have to approach this subject because I don't think anybody is paying attention to the after effects of being in the left lane. Last week we had 2 trucks get pulled over for being in the left lane. One of them even went past the sign that said no trucks in left lane. So they get pulled over, and then the DOT officer or whoever it may be says, okay, I need to see your logbook. I need you to send me your logs. I need you to send me the instructions on how to use your logbook, and I need to see your 8 days of paper logs that you're supposed to keep in an emergency in case your tablet malfunctions. Well, 85 points later from being in the left lane, we're allowed to leave again. So it's kind of like the guy that robs the bank and has got no brake lights and gets busted for that. So all these things are what I call the but-for violations. None of those points would have happened but for the fact that we're in the left lane. So we're going to do safety talks about driving in the left lane and speeding until everybody figures it out. There really is no excuse. People say, well, I got hung out in the left lane, couldn't get, oh, don't get in the left lane. Don't get hung out. Don't get in a hurry. We're probably using about 70% of our available time on our logs during the week. So, and along with that, our system dispatches at 50 miles an hour. So you don't need to speed. You don't need to pass everybody. You need to put the thing in cruise control and hang out in the right lane and be safe and avoid all these problems that are created from passing in the left lane. So cut out some of that. A lot of the drivers always have an excuse for this, but I've got drivers that have been here for 20 years. 1, 2, 3, 4 million mile people. No violations. No DOT violations. No speeding violations. No left lane violations. No accidents. So we know what can be done. I'm not saying you're unsafe. We've got lots of examples of having a really good fleet. It's just the small group of people are causing the headaches. So we're going to focus on that. And we're going to beat it into you mentally until we get it straight. So think of that. Watch these videos and try to practice what we're preaching because it works. So have a good day. Stay safe. Put it on cruise control and stay out of the left lane. So, and go Titans.